Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make cream pan. Cream pan is very popular. It's a custard bread. The custard is inside of the bread and this is more likely snack. Many times people eat for lunch, but it's not really a savory type sweet. And this is very kind of old bread that we have for a long time, and it is very, very good. I just cannot find those cream pan, custard pan bread in this country, so I decided to make it and show you how to make it.
First, I will show you how to make custard. When you heat the milk, be careful, don't boil milk. This is same as human temperature, regular temperature, so you can even touch it. This is the process, only try to melt the sugar, so don't boil. The reason you don't want to boil, because after this one you're gonna put egg, and if it's too hot, egg gonna cook there. So make sure that milk is not too hot. I'll be honest with you, this is not my favorite custard how to make, but this is the easiest way. So at this video, I just gonna show you easiest one, and maybe for the future I will make a video that's different kind of custard. Use this chinois or the drainer to make cream, the custard, when you cook it, to be smooth. You have to be there and keep mixing until it gets hard. Put wrap this way, otherwise it's gonna be dragged out. Now I am making bread. Put sugar and salt and mix with your hand, and put half of the water. Add all the flour one time. Now you put rest of the water and mix with it. You knead dough until dough feels and also looks like smooth. Put batter little by little, make it small and put it in the dough and mix with it. Put the dough in the bowl and wrap it and wait for an hour. I am making 16 small balls from this dough. I use cloth, but just simply put the wrap around, that's fine. And this is 15 minutes later. When you wrap it, take the air out. And you will cut like this and take the air out. And I think I should have cut a little deeper. And again, rest time for 40 minutes. And again, you can simply put wrap over it.
This is how to make cream pan bread, custard bread. And if you like my video, please thumbs up for me and subscribe my YouTube. I hope you enjoy my video. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.